A lot of people ask me the same thing. Is it hard to make friends in Costa Rica? The short answer, nope. The longer answer is it's actually easier than in most places if you show up and put yourself out there. So let's talk about how to build your own special jungle crew. Number one, here you don't just walk into a store or restaurant or anywhere and ignore people. You say buenos días or buenas or pura vida. Here people wave as they drive by you. Neighbors will bring you fruit because they have extra, and you should do the same. It's really wholesome, and you should lean into it. Number two, join Facebook groups before you even move. LGBTQ Costa Rica, town specific groups, activities you're interested in, like surfing or gardening or wildlife. You'll land already knowing people here, and suddenly coffee dates turn into friendships. Number three, don't just hang out with other expats. This is really important. You'll miss the whole point of being here. The best crews are a mix of everybody: Ticos, Canadians, French, Germans, whoever. My friends here range from surfers to bartenders to rescue volunteers. It's messy and it's magic. Number four, where to meet folks? Anywhere. Bars, beach cleanups, drag shows, salsa classes. Hell, even the feria, you can just walk up and start chatting with folks. If you show up, you'll meet people. And if you bring your dog, even better. Dogs are instant icebreakers. Look, Pura Vida is people. Build a crew that's as colorful as Costa Rica yourself, and you'll never feel like an outsider here. My blog and other Pura Vida Diary episodes are now live, links in the description. So now I'm off to meet my friends for margaritas, because why not? See you next time.